Hello, today we'll be making a crepe paper poppy. You'll need the following supplies. The digital template can be found in my online shop linked in the description box below. Let's get started. I have already cut out the template pieces in order to save time. To make the center of the poppy, cut out a rectangular strip of crepe paper from template piece 1 and the stem covering strips from template piece 2. Cinch together and twist the center of the rectangle so it looks like a bow tie. Apply some glue along the edge of one side of the bow and glue it to the edge of the other side. Next, glue together the opposite side, making a cup shape. I use a cotton ball as the filling, but you can use balled up scrap paper instead. Put some glue on the inside edge and close it around the stem wire, forming the central pod. To secure it, glue and wrap a length of stem covering strip around the base of the pod. Next, to make the fringe, or the stamens of the poppy, I'm using yellow crepe paper and cutting out a rectangle using template piece 3. To cut the fringe, I fold the rectangle in half a couple of times first, so I can cut out several layers at once, and that way I don't have to make as many cuts. I roll the fringe between my hands to give it some texture, so they're not just flat strips. Then glue and roll the base of the fringe strip around the bottom of the central pod and squeeze it tightly. Cut out 6 petals from template piece 4. I stack the crepe paper so I can cut out 3 petals at once. To shape the petals, I roll up the paper and twist it in one direction, then the opposite direction, and roll it between my hands. This helps give the petals a crinkled texture similar to a real poppy. Then I stretch the center of the petal to give it a cupped shape, and I stretch the top to give it a ruffled edge. Glue the bottom of a petal and attach it to the stem. I first attach 3 petals evenly around the flower, and then another round of 3 petals. Because I kept moving the top of the poppy out of the shot, I filmed the step again to more clearly show how I position and attach the petals. Now back to the original poppy. Take a strip of the stem covering and glue and wrap it around the stem starting from the base of the flower. I will be adding one of the leaves from the template. I trace the leaf template onto the green crepe paper and cut it out. This step does take some time and patience since the poppy leaves are very intricate. Glue the leaf onto the stem, then spread out the petals, and it's complete. Thanks for watching, and check out my website to see more DIY tutorials.